Hi guys! Pinterest is a social media platform for sharing images with massive traffic that you can leverage for effective affiliate marketing. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to do affiliate marketing effectively on this platform. According to SimilarWeb, Pinterest's monthly traffic is around 1-2 billion visits. Users on Pinterest have a high demand for image searches. Pins on Pinterest can sustain traffic for months or even years. You can create multiple pins related to your product niche, share them on Pinterest, and attach your affiliate links to the products. If you have a good strategy, such as designing eye-catching visuals and optimizing keywords for SEO, this can be an excellent source of organic traffic for affiliate marketing. So, how do you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest? First, register a Pinterest account. Instead of registering a personal account, choose a business account because it offers more features such as running ads, managing campaigns, analyzing user insights, and accessing Pinterest trends. If you want to do affiliate marketing for multiple products, you should create separate Pinterest accounts. This makes it easier to manage and target different customer groups, especially if you want to focus on specific regions like the US or India. To avoid account bans, instead of registering on Chrome profiles, you can create Hidemyacc profiles and attach a proxy to each one. Hidemyacc is an Antidetect browser that helps users modify browser fingerprint data for each profile. Each Hidemyacc profile functions as a new device with a unique network connection. Next, I'll run a Hidemyacc profile and register a Pinterest business account. Regarding niche selection for affiliate marketing, it depends on each individual's needs. Hidemyacc won't dive deep into this topic but can recommend some keyword research tools like keywordtool.io, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner. You can also use Pinterest Trends on a Pinterest business account to filter trending topics on the platform. Additionally, installing extensions like SortPin allows you to check the number of saves, interactions, and clicks on each pin to see if your chosen keywords are attracting attention. To choose products for affiliate marketing, you can refer to platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, or Popular High-Tech. Moreover, e-commerce platforms such as Amazon also have affiliate programs, like Amazon Affiliate. You can refer to Hidemyacc's tutorial video to learn how to join these programs and get product links. When selecting products, consider user demand, product quality, and the commission rate you'll earn. To promote products on Pinterest, you can use either images or videos. Using SortPin, check which image formats receive high saves, downloads, and interactions, and replicate those styles. You can use Canva to design with ready-made templates. Then download and upload them to Pinterest. Remember, image files must be in JPG format and under 200 megabytes in size. When uploading images to Pinterest, pay attention to how you title them and write product descriptions. Include relevant keywords in the title and description. Using long-tail keywords often aligns more closely with user search intent. For the link section, simply input your affiliate link. Then click Post to publish the pin. You can monitor the impressions, clicks, and saves for each pin you've uploaded. In addition to optimizing SEO for each pin, you should also optimize your Pinterest profile. Information like name, avatar, bio, and website should be fully updated. Pins with more saves, clicks, and interactions are more likely to rank higher in search results. You can use social exchange sites like Hidemyacc and spend a certain number of points to exchange for interactions on your pins. Alternatively, you can create multiple Hidemyacc accounts using the Hidemyacc Antidetect browser and use them to boost interactions for your pins. This may not be the most optimal method, but it's something you can try to increase engagement on your pins. That's it for Hidemyacc's introduction to affiliate marketing on Pinterest. This is an excellent source of organic traffic that you can utilize for affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for prompt assistance. Good luck!